Good morning children, my dear 6th class students. Today class exercise 1.4 page number 11. Yesterday we finished that up to 4th Roman, 4 problems. Today 5th onwards. Okay children, first to see your textbook. What is given in textbook? The 5th problem. A famous cricket player has so far scored 28,754 runs in international matches. He wishes to complete 50,000 runs in his career. How many more runs does he need? He's asking that question. That means what is that? Already finished 28,754. But his target is 50,000 runs he want to complete. Still how many runs he has to need to complete that target is asking the question. Children, look at them. For that, you read the question number of times. read and read. The problem to understand. Should read first of all. After understand, what you have to find out, what is given there, what you have to find out. First of all, here see there. So, how many runs he made it? Number of runs made by a cricketer player has so far 28,754. This much runs finishes so far. But he wishes to complete runs. That means his target is 50,000 runs. He had to complete 50,000 runs. So far, how many finishes? 28,754. So that still how many runs he need to complete that target? Means, listen, we have to subtract how many runs he finished that one from what his targets. That means number of runs does he need? Number of runs does he need to complete that target is 50,000 minus 28,754. That one is, see there, how I subtracted 50,000 minus 28,754. Now subtract this one. 0 minus 4, it won't be. I brought down from here onwards 10. 10 minus 4, 6. Once if you brought down from here onwards, here 9 will come in. 9 minus 5, 4. Here also similarly 9 minus 7, 2. Here also 9 minus 8, 1. Already from here onwards you take off 1 point, that means 10 points. Then what is that here? 4 will be there. 4 minus 2, 2. So still how many runs does he need to complete that one is 21,246 runs. 21,246 runs he has to need to complete his target 50,000 runs. This is the problem children. Once again I'll go for that. A famous cricket player has to be, as so far he's completed 28,754, but his target is 50,000 runs to finish it. Still how many runs still more to finish his target means we can subtract this one from 50,000. 50,000 minus 28,000, that is 21,246. This is the problem of 4th problem and 5th problem. Now you'll go for that 6th one. In an election, the successful candidate registered 1,32,356 votes and his nearest rival secured 42,246 votes. Find the majority of the successful candidate. It is also same problem children. You can do this problem. This is homework. So winning candidate he got that 1,32,356 and rivals, that means defeated candidate got 42,246 votes. Then how many, the winning candidate, how much runs, how much votes his majority is asking. That one subtract from from the winning candidate to the defeated candidate to get that majority of the votes you will get it. Same, this is also subtraction. You can do it. That is homework, 6th problem. Then I will go for 7th one. Look at here. What is the 7th one? Sixth homework, and is given 7th problem. And what is that? Write the greatest and smallest 6-digit numbers found by all the digits 6, 4, 0, 8, 7, 9 and find this sum and difference of those numbers. Children, they give 6 digits. What is the given digits? Given digits. Given digits. Given digits. What is the given? 6 4 6 4 0 8 7 and 9. By using all the digits, 6 digits, 6 4 0 8 7 9. Then once again we'll go for that. What is that? 6 4 0 8 7 and 9. By using all the digits, 6 digits, you can write the greatest number and smallest number. And again, we can add those two numbers and subtract those two numbers they are asking. Once again, they are given the 6 digit numbers. We want to write by using the 6 digit number, greatest number and smallest number. First, greatest number. Greatest number is first greatest number. How it will coming? Greatest number means you can write starting with greater digit. That means ascending. That means descending digits you have to write down. Descending order digits. First of all 9, and after 8, next 7, next 6, next 4, 0. Listen here. By using all these 6 digits, what is the greatest number means? 9,87,640 units, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh. 9,87,640. Greatest number means you can write starting with greater number after the small, small. That means descending order digits you have to write down. Then what is that smallest number? Smallest number. Smallest number is equal to, you can write, so now we have to write ascending order digits. First what is the ascending order? Small to big. What is the smallest digit? 0. But no number can start with 0. So that's next smallest digit. What is that? 4. Again 4. Next what is that? Now you can write 0. Next 6. Next 6 after 7. Next 8. Next 9. 4,06,789. By using all 6 digits, what is the greatest number? 9,87,640. And what is the smallest number? 4,06,789. Now add those two numbers is asking. Now addition. Sum of numbers. Listen here. By adding 0 plus 9, 9, 4 plus 8, 12, 6 plus 7, 13 plus 1, 14, 7 plus 6, 13 plus 1, 14. Next, what is that? 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 4, 13. That means units, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakhs. 13 lakhs 94,429. Once I can see there. 0 plus 9, 9. 4 plus 8, 12. 1 I wear it and 2 here. And 6 plus 7, 13 plus 1, 14. 1 I again wear it. And again 7 plus 6, 13 plus 1, 14. Yes. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 4, 13. 30 lakhs 94,429 by adding those two numbers. Now difference. We have to add what is the difference. Difference means subtraction. 9,87,640. Next 4,06,789. You can subtract difference. Listen. 10, 0, we can't separate 9 from 0. You can borrow from here onwards. 10 will coming. 10 minus 9, 1. But here 3 will be there. It won't subtract 8 from 3. Again you can borrow it there. That means what is that? 13 will coming. 13 minus 8, 5. Here 5 will coming. 5 minus 7, it won't be subtract. And again you borrow that. 15. 15 minus 7, 8. Then what is that here? 6 will coming. 6 minus 6, 0. 8 minus 0, 8. 9 minus 4, 5. Is that? 10 minus 9, 1. 13 minus 8, 5. 15 minus 7, 8. That means 16 minus 6. That 6 is 6 minus 6, 0. 8 minus 0, 8. 9 minus 4, 5. This is called difference of the numbers. This is difference and this is the sum of the numbers. Now listen children, what is this asking there? They give 6 digits. We want to write down greatest number and smallest number. I wrote the greatest number by using the all 6 digits. 9,87,640. And what is the smallest number? 4,06,789. By adding those two numbers, you get it 13,94,429. And by subtraction, difference means subtraction of those two numbers. 9,87,640 minus 4,06,789. Subtract just 5,80,851. This is the problem of and seventh problem. Next. Okay children, this is sum of the numbers and this is difference of the numbers. Next, last problem of this exercise. See that children. Okay children, next. Harita has 1 lakh with her. She placed an order for purchasing 124 ceiling fans at 726 each. How much money will he remains with her after the purchasing? See children, problem number 8 is there. Harita has 1 lakh rupees with her. So she placed an order for purchasing 124 ceiling fans. She want to buy 124 ceiling fans. Each one cost is 726 rupees. After purchasing 124 fans, then how much she has the balance, she has the remaining amount is asking. Okay children, now see there, this problem is finished now. Now I will go for the 8th problem. Eighth problem. So, how much she has? Harita has 1 lakh rupees. 1 lakh amount with Harita. How much is there? 1 lakh rupees is there. With Harita is equal to 1 lakh. 1 lakh rupees is there with her. What is how much is there? Amount with Harita. 1 lakh. Amount with Harita is equal to 1 lakh rupees with her. Exactly finished. But she has to buy how many fans? 124 ceiling fans. What is the cost of each ceiling fan? 726 rupees. That first you should write what is the cost of each ceiling fan. Each ceiling fan is equal to How much is given? 726 rupees. 726 rupees. Yes. With her initially how much amount is with her? 1 lakh. So she wants some fan. She want to buy some fans. Each ceiling fan is 726 rupees. 726. How many fans she want to buy? 124 ceiling fans. Now cost of 124 ceiling fans. Ceiling fans is equal to how much? So one ceiling fan cost 726 rupees is given. We want to find out cost of 124 ceiling fans. Now, so small quantity is given. You want a big quantity. 124 fans you want means what you want to do that means you can multiply the 726 rupees with 124 with 124. That means 726 into 124. 124. You can multiply that one. See children, how you want to multiply? 4 with 4 first. 4 6 are 24. 4 strike off 4. 4 2 is 8 plus 2. 8 plus 2 10. 0. 4 7s 28. 28 1 29. Once again 4 6 are 24. 4. 4 2s are 8 plus 2, 10, 0. 4 7s are 28 plus 1, 29. Again, 2 6 are 12. 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5. 2 7s are 14. Next, with 1. Again, with 2, once you see there, check it. 2 6 are 12. 12 I wrote here. 2 2 is 4, 4 plus 1, 5, 2 7s are 14. Again with 1, 726 into 1, 726, 726 will come in. Add 4, 2, next, what is that? 9 plus 5, 14 plus 6, 20, 20 means here, 2. 2 plus 2, 4 plus 4, 8 plus 2, 10. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 7, 9. That means how much? 90,024 rupees. 90,024 rupees total amount of 124 fans. But she has, what is that? 1 lakh rupees is there. Then after purchasing, how much amount remains? The amount remaining remains after purchasing is equal to 1 lakh minus 90. 1 lakh minus, what is that? 90,024 rupees. Subtraction 10 minus 4, 6, 9 will be there, 9 minus 2, 7, will be 9 will be there. Here also 9, 9 minus 0, 9. Here what is that? 9 will be there, 9. Here 10 minus 9, here already is gone, 9 minus 9, 0, here also 0. So 9,976 rupees. What is the left amount? 9,976 rupees. 1 lakh minus 90,024 rupees, 9,976 rupees still left. See children, problem is, now here initial amount with Harita 1 lakh. So she buying that 124 ceiling fans. Cost of each ceiling fan 726 rupees. So cost of 124 ceiling fans is 124 into 726. That is equal to how much you got it? 90 lakhs. So 90,024 rupees. How much is there? 90,024 rupees will be there. Then how much will be left means here the amount remains after purchasing is equal to 1 lakh minus 90,024. That is equal to 9,976 rupees. This is right. So up to here this chapter is finished. Then I will go for next one. Okay, children.